Yeah, today is Friday, 15th November. Wife and I was coming home from the farm the other day, and I had a real bad glare when we were driving towards the sun going west on the inside of the truck glass. And a lot of people already know this. Get your little 6-inch squeegee. I just use a little bit of Dawn dishwashing soap and a regular cloth and get her wet, squeegee it off, clean and streak free. Works real good. Had to pick up another prescription today, so I was at the pharmacy. I use Walgreens. Went ahead and got my flu shot. They asked me if I had an appointment. I didn't know you could make an appointment at the pharmacy for a flu shot, but apparently you can. But all of them know me on site. Well, that's okay, Mr. Snow. We'll do you as a walk-in. It's no big deal. Said, thank you. I did not get another COVID booster. I had almost 30 years of perfect physicals, including heart stress tests, and my heart was fine. Never had a single issue on any of those physicals. I got the Pfizer COVID vaccine and the Pfizer booster. 2 years later, I'm having emergency triple bypass, and a year after that I had my first heart attack. I don't know if there's a correlation between the COVID vaccines and heart disease, but I had 30 years of perfect heart physicals. Get the vaccine, all of a sudden my heart went to crap. Makes you kind of wonder, don't it? Not a lot going up here today. I came here specifically to clean the glass on my truck inside, and while I'm up here I'll probably mow my little triangle here, and might start sanding on that table. I'm going to make a sheet metal cover for the bottom of this chair, just screw it in place. Might do that too. Birds outside still have feed. I need to clean the bird bath and give them some fresh water. It's about a third empty on the bird bath. I pulled up, there was a bunch of sparrows out there munching on the bird seed, so they're coming here, and the bird seed is coming out of the feeder, so just not eating near as fast as they were. Yeah, gonna be an easy day. About 75 degrees right now. It's real pleasant. 70 inside my little building here because of my blown-in insulation. Man, I can't recommend that stuff enough. Best thing I ever did. Did it at my house too. Wife asked if we could do the barns up at the farm, and the quick answer is no, because the barns are full of stuff. There's no more easy access to the inside of the roof or the walls, and I don't want to move everything, so we'll leave them like they are. Yeah, this day is going to be a pleasant day for me. Wife works till 4:30, and she works tomorrow and Sunday as well, and Monday. I think she's going to be off next Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday again. So, anyway, let me get busy doing nothing of importance. That's all for this one. Thank you.